Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can block R-rated movies on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in Settings, we scroll down and then tap on Screen Time. Next, go down and then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. In here, tap on Content Restrictions and then tap on Movies. Now to block the R-rated movies, you can select G, PG, PG-13. If you select Don't Allow, it will not allow movies at all. And just basically don't select the R-rated settings, and that will block R-rated movies. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.